Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'll show you how I took this super simple shot with only toys, lights, and a background. I call it Battle of the Heroes. I'll also show you how I edited my image in Photoshop. For this shot I used the Duel on Mustafar Funko Pop. This might be one of the easiest setups I've ever done. I didn't even use a ground surface for this one, just some figure stands and lights. I started by propping up my Funko Pop in front of my background TV and placing a medium-sized LED panel light directly underneath it to make my plastic lava glow. Next, I turned on my small panel lights to fill in some of the dark spots on the characters. After turning off the room lights, I used some more plastic cylinders to add my final bit of lighting, 2 single blue LEDs. I wanted these to cast a bit of lightsaber glow on my subjects. Here's my starting image. You can see the wiring and battery pack in the image, so I actually took a second exposure without that LED. The first step of my editing process was to mask those exposures together to eliminate the wiring. Next, I added a levels adjustment layer before using the pen tool and brush tool to draw in the lightsaber blades. I added an inner and outer glow in the layer effects to get that classic laser sword look. Darth Vader's eyes were already yellow, but I wanted to make them pop a bit more, so I used the same technique from my lightsaber glow to subtly pump up Vader's dark side eyes. Following that, I made some touch-ups, cleaning up the toys and cropping the image just slightly. I also added a very slight vignette to darken the corners of the image just a touch. After that, I did some quick dodging and burning, and then the last few touch-ups, including removing the Star Wars logo from the front of the toy. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!